1. Flood is a major natural disaster in Pakistan. 2. Every year in the rainy season, many areas are affected by floods. 3. Thousands of people become homeless due to floods. 4. Fields and crops are destroyed by the floodwater. 5. Roads, bridges, and houses are also damaged. 6. The risk of diseases and epidemics increases. 7. The government and army carry out relief work in affected areas. 8. People also help flood victims by giving donations. 9. We should plant trees and build dams to prevent floods. 10. Floods teach us that we must always be prepared for natural disasters.